a channel where dad and daughter get together, we try to have fun, and we try to figure out elementary level homework. Right?
Right!
In today's lesson, this is a super fun worksheet. It's a math review worksheet. So if you guys have followed our channel and watched our previous videos, we've done a bunch of math worksheets, and this is a summary of all the videos. Of all the worksheets, I'm sorry. And it's gonna be super fun, so come join us. All right, MB girl, let's get started with our math review worksheet. This is gonna be all the review sheets that we've done, all problems that we've done throughout the school year and other homeworks, and it's just mashed into one worksheet, okay? So I'll read the questions and you help me answer them, okay? So pick up your pencil. You got your name at the top of the paper, good job. It says write the missing numbers. Can you help me write the missing numbers in this box?
12, 13.
Right.
And then 12, 13.
What comes next?
13, and then 14.
All right, 14. And then what else?
15, 16.
All right, that was easy. Okay, that was fun, that was easy, but they're gonna get a little bit harder, okay?
Yep.
All right.
This is hard. This is easy.
We'll see, we don't know what it is yet.
Easy.
Let's see, let's read it, okay?
And
It says, I'll read you the word problem and you have to figure it out, okay? It says, there are 8 dogs in the park. Then 8 more dogs come and join them. How many dogs are in the park? Can we make counters and figure out how many dogs are in the park?
yeah, there's 8 and 8.
I think so. What does 8 more mean? Is that a subtraction or is that addition?
Addition.
Addition. The word more means addition. So I'm gonna write it and you write the equation for me, okay? So blank plus blank equals blank. That's the equation, right?
Yeah.
So what is it? Write it in. Write the numbers in.
8
Right. Perfect. Good
plus
job. 8. All right. Let's write counters to figure out the.
Equals-
Let's figure it out. Write some counters.
8, 1,
2,
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
Wait. So we got 8. It's okay. Erase
8.
that and let's do 8 more underneath.
Okay,
8. Let's write another 8 more. Then let's count them.
1, 2, 3, 4,
5, 6, 7, 8. Count them all.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. 16.
There, how many dogs?
16!
Good job. So write it right in here. Write your answer in there again. You can write it in the equation and you can write it up there.
Ooh, I need to write it small.
Nope, you wrote that backwards. That's a 2. That's 12. The 6 goes the other way. You can write it big. It's okay. Write a nice big 6. There you go. And then write in the equation too. So we know 8 plus 8 equals what?
6!
8
No.
plus 8 equals what?
16!
16. Not 6. No, 16. Good job. All right.
Nice job.
Do you know
Now,
what? I remember how they draw 16 because it kind of sounds like the 6s at first because 16.
yeah, but it's 1 6.
Yeah, 1 6.
Right. Okay, it says circle the 3D shape below.
What?
Is this a 3D shape?
Yeah.
That's a 3D shape? It's a circle, but is it,
Oh.
remember what a 3D shape is?
Oh yeah,
What's
yeah.
a 3D shape?
It's
Go ahead, say it.
it's shapes will have sides.
Has multiple sides, right?
Yeah.
It's like almost like a holographic shape.
Yeah.
So which one of these is a 3D shape?
And it's solid.
Yes. So which one of these is a 3D shape?
This and this.
That's not a 3D
Oh,
shape.
this.
That's not a 3D shape. That's a 3D shape. You see back here? Go ahead, circle it.
Yeah.
That one was a little harder. No worries.
Yeah, that's hard.
All right, do you know it says compare using less than, equal to, or greater than. Do you know what those are?
No.
Okay, these are operators. These are sign operators. So this operator means that a number is less than. This operator means that the number is greater than. Less than means smaller and greater than means bigger. And this number means that it's equal to. So is 14 less than 22? Is 14 greater than 22? Or is 14 equal to 22? Which one is smaller? 14 or 22?
Oh, 14.
Okay, we need to practice your operating signs. So that's how you draw it. You see that sign right there?
Yeah.
So what that is telling you that is 14 is a less than 22. Now is 17 less than 17? Is
No.
17
It's
bigger than 17 or is it
equal.
equal to? It's equal,
It's
right.
equal.
Good job.
Nice job.
That's the equal. You have to do an equal sign.
Oh, equal.
Yeah, so erase all that and just put an equal sign.
That is a great idea.
After we do these two, we're going to turn this worksheet around and we're going to work on some operating signs so you learn this, okay? All right, let me make this a little bit better. And then go ahead and I'll do it for you. So, equal to 17 is equal to 17. 14 is less than 22. What if 22 came first? Then 22 is greater than 14?
No.
22 is bigger than 14?
No.
Think about what I'm saying. Is 22 bigger than 14? The number 14. If I have 22 pieces of candy and you have 14, who has more?
You.
Because I have 22, right?
Yeah.
So 22 is bigger. That means it's greater. The word greater than means bigger.
Yeah.
And the word less than means smaller.
Yeah.
Does that make sense?
Yeah.
All right, let's do these two and then I'm going to flip it around and I'm going to test you on this, okay? So this is the first time you've learned that. That's okay. Okay, so I'm going to read you this problem and you're going to figure it out, okay?
Okay.
It says Katie eats 12 pieces of pizza. Mark eats 5 pieces less than Katie. How many pieces of pizza does Mark eat? So when you talk about the word less than, is that addition or subtraction?
Less.
Is that a keyword to subtract or is it a keyword to add?
It's subtraction.
It's subtraction, absolutely. So we have subtraction, we have a blank number, and then we have equals a blank number. So Katie has 12 pieces of pizza. Let's start with 12.
12.
Yes. Good job. And it says Mark eats 5 pieces less than her. So we have to try to figure out how many pieces Mark ate. He ate 5 less than her. So if I have 4 tacos and I eat 2 less than you, that's what it's saying. It's just bigger numbers, okay? So let's draw 12 counters.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12.
And Mark ate 5 less than her. So let's take 5 away. Let's take 5 away.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
So how many did Mark eat? How many are left over?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
So Mark had 7 pieces of pizza. So it says, how many pieces of pizza did Mark eat? How many did he eat?
7.
7. Go ahead and write it in, and write it in the answer.
Yeah.
Good job, 7. Okay, let's do this last box, and then we're gonna practice these problems, okay? So it just says add. What's 14 plus 2?
14 plus 2. Okay. 14, 15, 16. 16.
Good job. Go ahead and write that in. Right at the bottom, underneath the line. Yep. 1
1,
and a 6, right?
6.
But the more you practice it, the more you'll start writing it backwards. Next one says 11 plus 10. What's 11 plus 10?
11 plus 10.
Want to do counters?
Wait, I think I got this.
Okay.
So 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21.
Good job. So as long as you have 10 fingers, 10 or less, you can count it on your fingers. I
Yeah.
like that strategy. Okay. 21.
21.
Good job. All right, so I want to teach you the less than, equal to, and greater than operators, okay? If you have any questions, ask me, okay?
Okay.
So this is less than, and what less than means is smaller. If I have less candy than you, that means I have a smaller amount of candy than you, right?
Yeah.
This is greater than. That means if I have more candy than you, I have greater candy than you, then I have more candy than you.
Yeah.
And this is equal to. So if I have 30 blank 10, is 30 less than 10 or greater than 10?
Greater.
Greater, okay. If I have 9 and 8, is 9 greater than 8 or less than 8?
Greater.
Greater, okay. If I have 501, is 500 greater than or less than 1?
Greater.
Greater, okay. If I have 6 and 50, is 6 greater than or less than?
Less.
6 is less than 50. So this is greater, this is less than, and then equals easy, right? Because the number has to match.
Yeah.
So if I have 10 and 10, is that greater or less than or equal to?
Equal.
Good job. You understand that now, the operators?
Yeah.
So this one is less than, facing the right. This one is greater than, facing the left. And that's the equal operator that you use in your equations.
Like, if I had 19
Right?
and you had 3,
3,
yeah, I will have more.
it'd be greater than. Now you're teaching me already? Thank you, high five. Good job on the math review worksheet. That was super fun. Hope you guys had fun. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Hope you guys learned something. Thank you, Emery. Love you, Emmy girl. Bye. Love you, kid.
Bye, guys.